Okay, going to do a little engine walk around, so see the progress so far. Had to do a little repair there on the just below the distributor. New coil, distributors all electronic, base pan, gaskets replaced, new bolts of course, new motor mounts, new oil pressure lines, awaiting delivery on the filter, awaiting a water pump and a thermostat and retainer and such for the thermostat, flywheel, and I have the white marks put in there for hard to see with this one, but when I go to time it should be easier to do. The engine numbers down there. New crankshaft pulley, new nut, fuel pump, and of course manifold and intake assembly. New little brass plugs, motor mount again, and that's where the oil pressure gauge line is going to hook up. I got a new fitting for that, but just waiting. Valve cover. So, and there's a little throttle linkage, bell crank off the back, and plugs and wires. So, and here's the top view. See some Willys paraphernalia. And that's it. So far so good.